Introducing simplified technology. In this tutorial, we will explore how to enhance your privacy on threads by Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, we encourage you to subscribe our channel and show your support liking the video. Let's begin by launching the Threads app and logging into your account. Once logged in, locate and tap on the profile icon situated in the bottom menu. On your profile page, navigate to the top left corner and tap the distinctive globe icon. Here, you'll find the option to customize your privacy settings. By toggling the switch to the private, you can ensure that only approved individuals can follow you and access your content. Confirm your selection by typing OK on the prompt that appears. Congratulations! Your Threads profile is now securely private, granting you complete control over who can view your posts. We hope you found this tutorial informative and useful. Kindly show your appreciation by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Stay tuned for more existing threads, tips and tricks to elevate your Instagram experience. Goodbye.